Welcome, everyone, to our comprehensive unboxing and first look at the Google Pixel 8a. Today, we delve deep into the features, specifications, and overall user experience of this highly anticipated device. But before we dive in, I must issue a disclaimer. If you're a die-hard Pixel fan, brace yourself, as this review might not align with your expectations. Unveiling the Pixel 8a. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. Upon opening the sleek packaging, we're greeted with a striking green color scheme that catches the eye. Inside the box, we find a USB Type-C to Type-A adapter, a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable, a SIM card tool, and documentation. However, notably absent is the charger itself, a questionable omission given the premium price tag of 53,000 rupees. Design and build quality. Moving on to the device itself, the Pixel 8a boasts a design language that's more rounded and slightly thicker compared to its predecessor, the 7a. The use of Gorilla Glass 3 on the front and a composite back lends a degree of durability, although the absence of a glass back on a device in this price range is disappointing. Despite this, initial drop tests reveal satisfactory durability, with no visible damage. Exploring the ports and buttons. Taking a closer look at the ports and buttons, we observe the presence of a single speaker grille and a USB Type-C port at the bottom. The absence of a 3.5mm headphone jack may irk some users, but it's a common trend in modern smartphones. The placement of the power button and volume rocker at the bottom, rather than the traditional configuration, may take some getting used to for seasoned users. Display and performance. Now, let's talk about the display, which is undoubtedly one of the highlights of the Pixel 8a. Sporting a 6.1-foot AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate, the display offers vibrant colors and smooth animations. However, the thick bezel surrounding the screen may feel outdated compared to other smartphones in this price bracket. Performance-wise, the device is powered by a Tensor G3 chipset and comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. While the specifications seem promising on paper, real-world performance tests reveal a mixed bag, with the device struggling to keep up with intensive tasks. Camera capabilities. Moving on to the camera department, the Pixel 8a doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a dual-camera setup comprising a 64MP primary sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide camera, the device delivers impressive results in terms of image quality and color accuracy. Features like Audio Magic Eraser and Best Take enhance the overall photography experience, making it a strong contender for photography enthusiasts. Battery life and connectivity. When it comes to battery life, the Pixel 8a packs a 4,492 mAh battery with support for 18W charging and 7.5W wireless charging. While the battery capacity seems adequate, heavy users may find themselves reaching for the charger sooner than expected. Connectivity-wise, the device offers support for Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and boasts IP67 certification for water and dust resistance. The Google Pixel 8a presents a mixed bag of features and specifications. While it excels in certain areas such as camera performance and software experience, it falls short in others, notably in terms of pricing and performance. With stiff competition in the mid-range smartphone segment, the Pixel 8a struggles to justify its premium price tag. However, for users invested in the Google ecosystem and prioritizing camera quality and software updates, it remains a compelling option. As always, we encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and analysis. Thank you for watching.